The future of farming isn't in some distant sci-fi movie, it's here, in the fields and orchards of Israel. I came to see how technology is changing agriculture, and what I found looks like a production line for food, in the open air. Dawn over an orchard in the Galilee. A drone lifts off. Quiet, precise, scanning rows of trees with multispectral cameras. On my screen, AI turns those colors into insights. Leaf health. On my screen, AI turns those colors into insights. Water stress. On my screen, AI turns those colors into insights. Early signs of disease. A week of walking the fields becomes 10 minutes of flight. Then there's the soil. Sensors in the ground. Satellite data above fed into dashboards. Moisture, live. Nutrients, live. Microclimate, live. The AI says, irrigate here, not there. Add exactly this, not more. That's precision farming, fewer inputs. That's precision farming, better yields. That's precision farming, less waste. Labor is a real challenge. Fruit doesn't wait. Robotic arms and vision systems identify ripe fruit by color. Robotic arms and vision systems identify ripe fruit by size. Robotic arms and vision systems identify ripe fruit by sugar estimates. They reach, they twist, they place without bruising. At night, they keep going. Farmers aren't staring at spreadsheets all day. They're making decisions. A tablet buzzes. Block C needs 20% less water. A drone flags a pest hotspot. A picker bot routes to the ripest clusters. Efficiency goes up. Harvest windows widen. Shortages shrink. Startups in Tel Aviv building models. Kibbutz teams testing robots. Desert greenhouses in the Negev proving data can outsmart climate. The same tools scale. Drones don't care if it's apples in Israel. Drones don't care if it's almonds in California. AI doesn't care if the soil is sandy. AI doesn't care if the soil is loamy. With better monitoring, with smarter inputs, with automated picking, we can grow more food using less water, less fertilizer, less energy. If we want a resilient food system for a hotter, hungrier world, this is the blueprint. The future of farming, flying over orchards. The future of farming, learning from data. The future of farming, picking at midnight, today. Let's build on it and feed the world smarter.